This is a great little drone for a beginner. It's a 4DRC V18. Loads of spare parts, controller, and your battery. Battery just goes in here on a flat surface, and oh, turn it on. Up and down with the left to connect. Press this button. As soon as it stops flashing, it's calibrated. And on the floor, I'll now show you a video of the things it can do. I'm completely new to drones, so this is going to be a bit different, I suppose. Automatic takeoff. Up it goes. Let's bring it down a bit for you. Blue light at the front, red light at the back, so you've got your orientation. To flip, there's a flips forward, flips sideways. Press another button to spin. Drag it back up, bring it back a bit. Orbit. No, it's not very good. Let's try and get it in picture. Orbit. It's a fantastic little drone for learning. With a flip forward. Hold quite steady. Does have fine tuning on it for steadying it. With a flip. Battery lasts about 7 minutes, so not too bad. With an orbit. Whatever you do though, don't press the return to home, it just flies wherever it wants. Oh, my fault. Crash. Like I said, I'm new to drones, so. Goes quite fast. It's got 3 speeds. That's speed 1. This is speed 2. And this is speed 3. Not much difference really. But it can be easy to control in 3. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.